Welcome, my friend. Today is definitely going to be the most empowering moment you have ever felt, because I am going to make today, yes, it does not matter who you are, where you are, and when you see this video. Because from this point on, you will always remember what's possible. Watch this video again to fully digest what I'm about to show to you. And someday, hopefully, you will look back at today and thank yourself for watching till the end. In this video, I am going to show you how my community generates hundreds of thousands monthly, and some of my elite subscribers are even doing bigger numbers, generating millions of dollars in months. This enables a lot of business owners expand their time and portfolio by deploying algorithmic systems in building cash flow passively. This is helping a lot of them manage 5 to 10 businesses effortlessly. And today, you will learn how you can do it too and apply this system to your business and also create time for self-improvement. Now, before we get started, attached to this video is a free book guide where I wrote extensively. It's about 48 pages on this system. You can download it for free. You learn how online business owners generate 150 to 500K monthly while retaining 100% control. You have total control over your capital by deploying the cognitive framework of the digital creators economy. And this market operation is powered by Algorithmic automation. So unlock the secrets of the digital creator economy before it's too late. Okay, so you can just provide me where I can send it to you, and then you can get a book for free. So now let's get started. Since the evolution of time, we have been exploring, and as a result, there has been an increased shift of paradigm, which is an important change that happens when the usual way of thinking about or doing something is replaced by a new and different way. This is because when there is a change of a generation, there must and always will be an elevation of revelation, of ideas, elevation of experience, elevation of systems. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. Our greatest human adventure is the evolution of consciousness. We are in this world to enlarge the soul, to liberate our spirit, and light up our minds. The evolution of money is a series of development. And so, a brief history. Hundreds and thousands of years ago, men were hunter-gatherers. This was the beginning of time. And then this gave birth to the innovation in the early days of man as the agricultural age, because men now built the knowledge to plant, to nurture, to harvest, to store, and sell produce. Now, few skilled men dominated this age. How? By acquisition of skills laborers, and tools. The evolution of money is a series of development in the form of acceptable medium of exchange throughout history, which also acts as a store of value and a unit of measure. Now, shortly after the agricultural age, the world has changed a lot with faster pace since Industrial Revolution. Manufacturing has become much easier than ever before and only now requires efficient handling and bigger space. And so, this enabled man to solve harder problems. And then men began to want more. And this has led to the innovation of change in different sectors of the economy. Now we can cover longer distance in shorter periods. We can drive in our cars. We can move our containers through the ships and airplanes. We have mobile phones. We have been adapting to the machines, not resisting them. So most of this innovation came in to annihilate the problems, and this has become a huge advantage to the growth of civilization. From this point on, an intelligent machine learning algorithms and programs began to appear, doing different and everything from planning travel, using speech recognition to pronounce words, and also to defeating world-class champion at his own chessboard game. This is conceived from the mathematical modeling of neural networks. Well, you may ask, who are you? Well, to answer your curiosity, I am Dante, first of his name, born in the house of the rising sun. Expert in cybernetics and mind coach with over a decade of experience in building cognitive frameworks and also in building algorithmic solution systems. In the last few years, I have been perfecting a system that is truly passive. And also, at different points, I've been in deep work and hired and collaborated with other mathematicians, traders, programmers, and experts in machine learning, building a systematically organized machine learning algorithm. This system gets as close as you can to being completely passive and autonomous, with only a few adjustments every few weeks. Now, with the adjustment every few weeks, we are able to amplify trading parameters and increase results. Today, we refer to today as the digital age because now we are now approaching the shores of incredible possibilities. This is the power of now. And this power, it's in the palm of your hands. This system is the solution to your work. It is the solution to your money. It is the solution to your communications. It is the solution to control. If you have any of those problems, this system is the solution. And it's all possible now in the digital age. This automated trading system capitalizes on market volatility automatically by deploying statistically robust machine learning algorithms. Buy and sell transactions are opened, monitored, and closed based on the predefined mathematical rule set. These are my transaction logs. We can keep going as far back as 2021 2020, but for the sake of this video, okay. We can keep going. This is 2022, 2021, 2020. We can keep going back. It displays only the latest 10,000 records from the last 6 months. This is basically how the system works, buying and selling automatically. Now for this, I built 3 scripts. Right here, yes. I have 3 scripts built in Python language. The first script right here controls 280 bots. And the second activates the deals. And the third monitors prices, volume, extensions, dependencies, stop loss, take profit, and all of that. With this system, you now have in the palm of your hands the ability to be your own bank and build wealth with the power of automation. This system helps individuals trade the digital asset market 24/7, 365, no time off, deploying, buying and selling orders and profiting from the difference every millisecond. There are 3 machine learning types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. The supervised method trains the model on known input and output data to enable predict future results. The unsupervised finds hidden patterns in or intrinsic structures in imputed data. And the reinforcement is a method based on rewarding, desired behaviors or punishing undesired ones, which in general, this machine is able to perceive and interpret its environment, take actions, and learning through trial and error. Again, I'll remind you to get the ebook attached to this video to learn more on how all of this is possible. Okay? This system is powered by my private machine, a D7000 blade server, house packed with 32 CPUs. And with this, we are able to manage all of our clients remotely, no matter where you are in the world. I created this system because I envisioned the possibilities of living off the grid and taking control of my time. Now, this is one of my exchanges. I have about 11 of this running with multiple 7 to 8 figures. You too can do the same, because I have some of my subscribers who have up to 30 running multiple 7 to 8 figures remotely. And you can do the same and take advantage of the evolution of the machines, the evolution of money, the evolution of consciousness. You cannot stop it. You can only learn and adapt while it is still very early. This system has a track record accuracy of 77% to 88% in strategies and dynamics. This is the result for November. And these are the profits of each positions simultaneously taken. This is for January. Now, with an accuracy of 77 to 88% in strategy and dynamic, it is built in with an enhanced risk management integration to manage your portfolios. And this risk management integration is built on several powerful dependencies. And also, it has a compounding feature that propels and allocates larger position transactions, thereby increasing exponential results in a short period. Now, a lot of trading companies will require you to invest your capital with them, and they manage and trade for you. While this is possible, there are great risks of giving custody to third parties, especially with the recent trend of companies going bankrupt. But with this system, you have full control. How? Control of API. This is what we call the API key. An API key is an application protocol interface. Now, with this, you get full control over your capital and your exchange, and it is dependent on you to allocate what you decide to invest. And this is by connecting my algorithm using an API key. And so it enables my script and my system here. In my script, communicate with your exchange remotely, and you maintain security and control over your investment 24/7, 365. You can set this up easily, as we will be providing you full support to get you fully integrated in less than 12 hours. This is the standard operating procedure framework running every second, either buying or selling. Now we have different realities and triggers and parameters built into the script. This enables the bot to use historical data to predict future results. And so this means that a lot of historical data has been fed into this model of different price assets and instruments. And it can determine which of the realities the market is going to follow. And there are triggers and parameters which must be met, which are mathematically written. And it deploys the buy and sell simultaneously using deploy reverse instructions in case the stop limit is triggered. And so these orders can go on opposite direction, just like we have here. Okay. Now this is a long position. This is a long position. This is a long short position. This is a long position. This is a short position. Simultaneously managing each position on a 1x leverage. Now the bot monitors and trades using different parameters, but the core of this bot is that it is dependent on price action and it is independent of time. Nobody knows what the market is going to do in the next few days, a few years, a few hours. But you can monitor and also trade using price actions. So when the market moves in whichever direction, it doesn't matter, the bot is going to swing into operation and illustrate different levels of asset demand and supply. So when there's a break in previous high, it means that the market has an increase in demand. And so when there's a break in previous low, it means that the market has an increase in supply, and the bot will act accordingly. So these are the assets which you will be trading. Once you are fully integrated, all this asset comes with daily trade volumes and 24/7. There's no off time. It doesn't matter what the market sentiment is, either up or down. This system has you covered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And there are testimonials you can get on my website and in this book. I'm going to attach the website to this video, and also you can get the book and you can see the testimonials for yourself. So let me know if this is something that is going to work for you, and let me know if you're interested. You can connect through my website, through Twitter, and also via Telegram. All right.